Blue Boy TV. Hi, everybody. Silas wants to do another unboxing. He just got these two little guys. We're just in the car running some errands today. So Silas, why don't you go ahead and open the first one? Let's see what it's called. Will you hold it up so I can see? Turn it a little bit. Other way. Slither Yo Mini? Slither Yo Mini. Okay, go ahead, pull.
These are way hard to take off.
Are they? Very hard. Be tough. Ooh.
These are way hard to take off.
Mm-hmm.
They're hard. Way hard. I got an ultra rare, and by the way, it's a squishy.
It's a squishy?
Yes.
Let me feel. Oh, it is! Oh, you red, white, and blue. That is awesome.
Wait, where's the other?
Right here, Ryan's World.
No, this.
Oh, the top. He likes to cover them back up. Yeah.
If we cover back up, they'll stay safe.
Yeah.
Hopefully, this is Sheldon. I really want him.
You want Sheldon? Who's Sheldon?
That one.
What is he?
It's a dinosaur.
Oh, a dinosaur? You haven't got him yet? Okay. I hope so. Is it?
No,
Oh, Gil, come on, you tricked us, Gil. We thought you were a shark. Or not a shark, a dinosaur. Well, Sheldon must be hard to get. We have not found him yet, but we still love Gil. Okay, you want to tell everybody thanks for watching this today?
Yeah.
See you later. We'll do an update with another show later. Oh, show them your new book you just got. Dogman, Lord of the Fleas. We're going to start reading this together. He just thought it looked so cool, and I was like, all right, I'll read it to you so that you can start learning to read these cool books. Okay, say to Molly, tell everybody, bye-bye. She got her little book, too. Never touch a dragon. She loves the feel of it. Out running errands, okay? Say love you, bye-bye.
Mommy, I just got an ultra rare.
Blue Boy TV.
Hi, everybody. Today, we're going to show you all our Pokemon cards and show you guys these new squishies we got.
He unboxed those earlier, but he wanted to reopen it just to show you guys in this big purple egg.
We got Gil,
And what's that from?
Ryan Mystery Toy View.
Yep, Ryan's World.
Yeah, I wanted Sheldon, but now we got Gil.
Yeah, he wanted Sheldon, the red dinosaur, but he must be pretty rare,
Yeah,
huh?
but guess what? I got the one I wanted of these.
Yeah.
It's another squishy.
Yep, he's rare. Can't remember the name of what it came from again, but they're adorable.
Yeah.
We said it in our earlier, so you'll be able to see that when I hook these videos up. Okay, but we wanted to look at Pokemon cards because he got a ton for Christmas.
Yeah, let's see this
So real quick, let's show him that. So Pokemon, and the name of this one is Porygon. It's a big card. Can you see how big that is?
Yeah.
Right next to Silas's face. It's a big one. Yep, Porygon. HP 240, stage 2, ability troubleshooting, abnormal overheating, critical error. That's awesome.
Hey
So
guys.
I'm gonna tell you the name of one and hand it to Silas, and then he's gonna show it to you.
Guys, look at these yellow things. I think they're called Moch.
Yep, he also got those. Those are really cute. They're from the dollar store too, huh? You find so many great things there. Yep, so we got this token first. We'll just show that.
Token?
Gotta show the other side.
Oh yeah, this
See that side?
token.
Oh, there it is. Pretty. Okay, ready? So I'm just gonna say a name, or the name of the card, and Silas is gonna show you. Ooh, this one's good. Dragonite, 180 HP. Ooh, it's another shiny one. You wanna hold it? I'll hand it to you. Show him. Ooh. Okay, we got, I think it's called Tangela, 80 HP.
Tanga.
Okay. Magmar. Show him Magmar.
Magmar.
This is another good one. HP 210. I think it's Naganadel. No, Naganadel. Here, show him that one.
Guys, do you like this Pokemon better or this yellow squishy?
Yeah, tell us in the comments below if you like Pokemon better or Squishy, guys. Okay. This one is called, I think, Comey.
Comey?
That's cute. It's like a little bee. Comey.
Here, can I
This
see-
is,
Can I see Comey?
yeah. This is,
Comey.
I think, Swaddle. Swaddle?
That's cute.
I don't know. Tell us if we're wrong. I have no idea.
Can I
I'm still learning about
Let me
Pokemon.
see. You gotta give them to me.
Yep, Weedle.
Weedle. Oh, that one looks so cute.
I got it. Hey. Oh, yeah,
Oh, you want that? There you
Hey,
go.
careful. All right, this is Azumarill. Ooh, hi, Meteor. Get everybody. Cheese. Okay, what's that? Yep, the Azumarill. Cheese. Hi, everybody. Thank you. Oh, sorry, I'll take it. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, you gotta take.
That's right. Oh,
Duh.
what you pay attention.
Yeah, get it. Get it.
That's right. That's your ball.
Sayer, you get this. Whoa.
Okay.
Can I see this? Whoa. Whoa.
Okay. This is one of Silas's favorites. This is Piplup. Piplup. Oh, he got that big Pokeball wing for Christmas. Santa just knows Silas so well. All right, this one is Execute. Show them that one.
Execute.
Yep, show them.
Execute.
Okay, we gotta be a little bit slower so they can see. Execute.
And our second one is Yutrick. Yutrick cute.
Yeah, that one's been trimmed a little bit. His name is Magnemite. He got that one from our friend. Yeah, it's been a little cut.
So how many damage is he?
That one is 40 HP.
That means one hit, then he's dead.
Come here. Okay, give him this one. Ghastly.
Gassy.
Ghastly, yep. Don't know. That one is Stunfisk.
Dunkfist.
And Axew.
Gassy.
This is Numel.
Numel. What's wrong with that TV?
Okay. So Numel. Whalmer.
Well,
This one, Larvesta. We need to go quicker with them. Show them Larvesta.
Vesta.
Larvesta, good job. Magnezone. Yeah, make sure they see it. Slightly. Okay. Let's see. That's an escape rope. We don't need to show that one. Ooh, this one's a good one. I used to love this one. Haunter.
Hunter, big fat hunter.
Did you show him?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then this is Houndor. It's like a dog.
I'm a chipmunk.
Alright, and then we already did Tangela. Here's Hydreigon.
What? 7,
Terrace Ball. This is
9,
Shroomish.
10, 11, 12.
Okay, let's see what else we got. Ooh, this is a good one. Heracross. I think so. Shiny. Pikachu. Everybody's favorite. Come on. Joltik.
What? I never heard that sound.
Dynamo.
I never heard that sound before.
Ooh, this one. Jigglypuff. I used to love this one in all of the games. Super Smash Bros. She would sing, and it makes everyone go to sleep.
Can I have one?
That one is called Spoink.
Spoink.
Oh, how about you show them this one? I think it's Latios. Latios?
Latios.
Okay, I've got to tilt it. Latios.
Okay, can you give me this one?
Yep. This one is Sableye. Sableye? Sableye?
Say
Yeah.
why?
There you go. Good job. This one is Poipo.
Poipo? I never heard about that.
Okay, yeah. Make sure you can see it.
How many minutes did it been?
7 minutes.
Oh no.
All right. Swadloon.
Swaddle.
Finneon. Show them that one.
Finneon. And give me energy.
It's not a one. We have a trainer. Her name is Plumeria.
Pomeria.
Let's see. Yeah, we got lots of energies. Everyone knows what those are. I mean, Silas can show one if you'd like to. But then we have ball toy.
No, I want this one. So then, guys, you know this is a water drop energy and an eyeball energy. I
An
guess.
eyeball? I don't know what that one's for. Maybe it's earth or air. Something. And then Zygarde. Oh, this one's cute. Goomy.
Goomy.
Wurmple.
Whip it, no.
Larvitar.
Whip it, no,
Toxapex.
Ow! Quack up, baby.
Berini.
Ah!
Oh, I know this one. Voltorb. He used to be in a lot of stuff too when I was younger. Oh, this one was too.
Oh, Sammy. Oh.
Staryu.
Baffle.
Oh, Ratatat. He's really popular too. There's a bug catcher, another trainer. Oh, Devolution
I
Spray.
wanna go play with Daddy.
Litwick.
Go play with Daddy.
Mesprit. Silcoon. Skorupi. Yeah, Silas is still 5 years old. You can see how much this holds his interest. I'll have to learn for him. Wimpod. Let's see if there's any others worth showing.
How many minutes is I'm going to bed or hours?
I don't know. Here's the Porygon. The little card. Oh, this one's pretty cool. Metagross. Oh, there's another Execute. Oh, looks pretty different from the other one. Yeah, it's another one. More energy. Oh, Persian. I remember him. I think he was with the bad guys.
Guys,
Team Rocket.
you know, this is a Jason thing.
Yep, we'll show them that another day. Piloswine. Oh, here's that cool one. Slowpoke and Psyduck together. That's pretty cool. Never see that before. And then Cutie Fly. Let's see if there's anything else. Kamala. It's like a little koala bear.
You know.
Trainer, Broxgrit. And I think that's all the ones we really need to show Silas. Oh, wait. Matang.
Can I show them that other energy?
I showed it to him already. Beldum. Yep, so that's everything, guys. Silas, want to come tell him?
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching.
Hit the like bell.
Hit the like. Sit down.
Hit
Tell
the
him.
like bell and subscribe. Bye.
Bye. Thanks so much for watching Blue Boy TV. Share, like, comment, follow us on Instagram. Subscribe. Bye-bye.
Yes. Pack a Pokemon.
Yep, the Blindpack. You ready?
Yes.
Okay. Are you going to do it right here so they can see?
I'm gonna put it right here.
Oh, wait, we'll come right here so I can see.
I'll show you.
Okay, come here. I can't see.
Yeah.
What, Beanie? Jeez. Okay, go ahead. Open them up.
I could tell these are all away. Okay. So first we got a yellow card. I don't know what this is.
Yeah, that's just instructions of gameplay. Let's see the actual cards. We'll read them.
First up, another energy.
Oh, yep, we got another energy. Oh my goodness, that one's shiny. That one says Gollet. Oh, another energy. Oh no, it's the same one. Okay.
And last one.
Flabebe. Petal Blizzard. Let's see that one again.
Okay. That's all.
Turn 90.
That's all.
That's it. Okay, tell everybody thanks so much for watching.
Thanks for watching. Hit the like bell. Subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe bell. Like, thumbs up.